wrap that around.
Thomas, do you feel like a martyr right now?
Yeah. You need to wrap it around the head. You need to wrap it around the head.
No,
it's gonna slip off.
Might rip hair out.
No, it won't. It's not that hard to fix.
Look at this guy.
May I have the pleasure of taking that off?
Yeah, that's gonna fucking hurt.
Shut up.
Stop bitching. Can't hear you.
You should do it the other way so we can watch TV.
Alright.
Alright, we're sitting around for now. We're good.
Tell you, Dieter.
My fucking waist up higher.
You're tied to the bed. You're as good as you can get.
Yeah, see, that's more comfortable.
It's not supposed to be comfortable, guy. Grab that other
His back is hurting him.
Yeah, exactly. No, my fucking waist is hurting. Whatever's on my waist.
Hey, tip the bed over.
bed over.
Say hi.
Alright.
Molly Polly.
Kiss my motherfucking. Stop.
Hey! Hey, hold you asshole, stop!
Hey, her ass underneath.
Zip tie.
Tie the shit on this, on here.
Right here, Thomas?
Yeah.
I think it's my upper body.
Like here, yeah. Tie the shit right here.
Hey, what's that disease?
That's good right there.
Cancers.
Tie the shit. Like, you
Stockholm.
Yeah, Stockholm.
This is a wild field.
First he resisted, now he's hating you guys. You guys having fun?
Hell yeah!
Well, hello.
How you doing?
Are you holding it?
Yeah. Wait, you hold it?
Someone bring their fun sock over here.
Yeah! Hey, Thomas, you know what teabag means?
Yeah, that's a dead man tie here.
You alright, Thomas?
Chuck Norris.
Hey, he can still talk. Where's the tape?
He potato sacks him.
Even though I'm not really holding them up.
I'm trying to give you some more support right there.
His hands are cold.
No, it's fucking they're going numb.
Oh, numb. I thought you said tired.
I was sitting there since
Hey Thomas, are you okay?
Can you feel it? Yeah, can you feel it? Can you feel it?
Ow!
No.
Fucking stop! Now don't get shit up.
I'm jumping up on that. You need some cold air?
Yeah. Open the door.
Hey, open the door.
All the fire guys out there like, what the fuck?
Put that broom in front of it. Waft it in here.
Let's get a good view of this here.
Hold on, I got a fart.
Yo, Thomas. I got a fart, man.
Oh, put the duct tape back in front of my nose then.
Ah, shit. Yo,
Get away.
let me get stab.
Oh, fuck!
Yo, go over
No, the fucking duct tape's ripped. And it fucking hurts.
Duct tape's a bad idea, so now we know.
I take out that duct tape and let my hand out. Ow! No!
Prostitution.
The duct tape's not stable enough. My head's going numb, you guys.
Alright, guys, let him loose. Let him loose.
We're gonna see Simon Neal.
No, fucking Simon Neal will fucking flip a bitch.
No, well, he would love it because it's Thomas.
Nah, but
That he would.
He really would.
Hey, go do my.
Put my hand out. Put my hand
Is
out.
it hot?
Yes. And it's kind of numb.
here, let's
I gotta
get
show
him off.
Simon Neal this shit. Man.
Ah!
Yeah, it's not numb yet.
Not yet.
Which one can we cut to cause the most damage?
so dumb.
His waist.
Yeah, this is like Vegas. Down.
Oh, fuck, it's metal.
I think we should just cut his feet down so he can be on his knees on his bed. There, go ahead, cut his feet down.
Here, take the mattress out that fast.
Oh! Hey, do this in a. Ah!
He can't reach. He can't reach the bed. He can't reach the bed.
That's fucked up.
Get my fucking yeah, get that one.
No, that zip tie actually wasn't doing anything, so I'm gonna go.
Hey,
No, get the one that's giving you a fucking head.
This one
right here? Yeah, I think so.
No, don't catch on this. He'll be free.
Oh, why did I mess up? Like, I totally covered
Hey,
his
look at
mouth.
where my fucking arms are. I'll be for sure free. No, that wasn't it. That was it.
Yeah, there's like 5.
Ah!
Where you going, Thomas? Where you going?
The first one. Okay, drape some crap over all of this.
Yeah, drape something.